Annalise, can you make a sweet voice? Oh, can you make a sweet voice again? Can you make a scary voice? Again? Scary voice. Can you... Oh, that's a scary voice. Can you click your tongue? Oh, wow. Ooh, but I don't know if you'll do this with a book in your hand. Can you clap your hands? Annalise? Can you clap your hands? No, you won't do it with a book in your hand. Can you make a sweet voice again? And can you click your tongue? Wow, and can you make a scary voice? Ooh. Can you... Oh, that's a sweet voice. Can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands? No clapping your hands? Can you stomp your feet? Oh, if you're walking, you're stomping your feet. Oh, that's a scary voice. What happened? Can you clap your hands? No? No clapping your hands? Okay. Fair enough. Bye-bye. Can you say hello? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.